Hi everyone, this is me Muhammad Umar, a rescuer from Mysore. I've got a call from Idgegod near Mysore Zoo stating that there's a snake just outside to the gate. I'll continue the video once reaching the location. So let's find out what snake we have there. Oh, Cobra. ಸರ್ ಇದು ನೀರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಒಂದು ಬಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತ ಅದು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ದಾಗ್ಲು?
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಜೀರಾ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಬಿಡೈತೆ. ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಬಾಯಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಏನಿರ ತುಂಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ ತುಂಬ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಂಜಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇಂಜಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇರುವೆ. So guys, as you saw in the video, the complete snake was attacked by the red ants and it could not survive to that attack, and we tried a lot by putting inside the water so the snake so the ants released the snake. But when we opened the mouth, and you can also see in the video, it was completely also attacked inside of the body as well. So here we are going to leave the snake because there are many scavengers on these trees here. You can see there, so it can take care, the nature will take care. So here's the snake. I'm gonna just leave it here. There it is. The scavengers here near the sewage line, it will take care of the body. So this is very sad to see a snake in that situation, and we couldn't help. We tried a lot but we couldn't help. And please put your thoughts in the comment section, and see you guys in the next comment.